If you skip this step, you may lose your chili plants overnight. Good afternoon, good evening, good night everybody. Hope you're doing great. A happy Wednesday to you, Wednesday the 18th of March. Hope you're having a great day. And we are into day 31 of the chili grow up. The weather is going to be lovely in a few hours. Temperature's going to rise up quite nicely. So we're going to get the plants out again and harden them off, get them used to this colder natural weather, get them all used to the natural sun, because that beats those LED lights any day. I want to thank you all as always for joining us today. We really appreciate your time, and I hope you're having a wonderful Wednesday and a great week so far. Okay, let's get this going, shall we? Let's do this. Having a little look through. These plants have all straightened up in the light, as you can see. But such a beautiful day outside. It's full sunshine and about 16 degrees. So let's get these plants out in the sun. All right. Here we have them all outside. We're going to do 2 hours today. Harden them off, get them used to this sun, strengthen them up, so it's not a big shock to them when they go out permanently. Let's check in 2 hours time. Okay, just trying to catch the last bit of sun here before it sets. And they've had about an hour and a half at the moment. So hopefully they should get the final half hour before the sun sets. And we'll check them all out. Okay, just collected them all in. They had about an hour and 3/4. I think that was more than enough. It's a nice evening sun. And the afternoon was about 18 degrees today. I hope you had the lovely weather that we did. Let's have a quick scan through each one of these and just see how they're looking. I'll go quickly along the rows and have a quick check at each one, and then we'll get them all back under the grow lights and get them ready for the night, for another day tomorrow of hardening off in the sun, because I think it's going to be great weather tomorrow. Let's check them all out. Armageddon, Kashmiri Mirch, Cayenne, Jalapeno, Large Orange Thai, Kashmiri Mirch, Cayenne, Scotch Bonnet MOA, and the Kashmiri Mirch, Zimbabwe Black, Carolina Reaper, Scotch Bonnet MOA, Sugar Rush Peach Stripey, and the Sweet Banana. The Carolina Reaper, and the second Carolina Reaper, Buena Mulata, and a Large Orange Thai, Armageddon. Zebranche, the Dreamcatcher, Sugar Rush Peach Stripey, another Dreamcatcher, and another Dreamcatcher, and the Poblano, the Padron, the Zebranche, Ghost Pepper, Kashmiri Mirch, second Kashmiri Mirch, Large Orange Thai, and an Armageddon. Zebranche, Scotch Bonnet MOA, Jalapeno, Tabasco, Scotch Bonnet MOA, Black Jalapeno, another Tabasco, Ghost Pepper, another Tabasco, and a Cayenne, Habanero, and a second Habanero, Cayenne, Black Jalapeno, Scotch Bonnet MOA, Buena Mulata, Sugar Rush Peach Stripey, Buena Mulata, Kashmiri Mirch, and the Dreamcatcher. Ghost Pepper, Zebranche, Sugar Rush Peach Stripey, Dreamcatcher, Poblano, Cayenne, Armageddon, Patron, and the Cayenne. Everything is back under the lights, all been propped up, adjusted and turned. Everything's looking okay. Some are a bit leggy, a bit flimsy at the back there, but I think the lights will sort that out. Apparently same temperature tomorrow, or a little bit warmer, so they'll be going out for another couple of hours, hardening off again. I want to thank you all for joining us today. I hope you've had a wonderful Wednesday. You take care of yourself. Make sure you look after me, myself and I, because no one's going to throw you a lifeline if you're drowning. Have a great Wednesday, a great rest of your week, and we will see you tomorrow. Take care. Bye-bye.